What's up, guys? I'm here to show you guys my favorite kick today and why it's my favorite kick. Buddy of mine, Michael, this is in response to you asking me. He said, "Hey Dylan, what's your favorite kick and why is it your favorite kick?" So this goes back to my Grandmaster. This is his favorite kick and it is my favorite kick because how effective it is and how simple it is. It's one of the most simple kicks. It's so easy to do. Anyone can do it, but it's extremely effective. I'm gonna show you guys like 6 variations, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the simplest version of the side kick. The main basic side kick, all it is, keep your hands up. You gotta get your balance really good before you do this. Keep your hands up. That's the main thing. Everybody wants to drop their hands when they throw a kick, but you gotta stay disciplined. Keep your hands up. It consists of a tuck. I keep my toes down to protect my groin. But then once you tuck, the key is pivoting. So you have to turn your heel towards the target. So it's a tuck and pivot. Tuck, pivot. And then what I do is I bring this in, I look at the target, and I use either my heel or the blade of my foot here. Tuck, target, and kick. And the side kick, it seems like it's extremely effective there, but it's really not. You don't have as much power there. Where your power is gonna really come from is the spin side kick, because there's a lot of momentum going on there where it changes the kick completely. So let's show you guys the spin side kick. When you spin, this hand's up here. You're turning. You're going from looking to looking. So if you're dropping this hand, you better put this hand up quick. Alright guys, this is another one of my favorite kicks, step and side kick. All side kicks, my favorite. Side kick 1, spin side kick, step and side kick off the wall, side kick everything, my favorite. This one, step and side kick. Your school might be different. So when you see this step and side kick, you might go, "Oh, that's not traditional Taekwondo step and side kick," but very effective. So this is our step and side kick. Alright guys, remember, this isn't a tutorial video. We'll do that later, where I actually teach to you guys in detail all the techniques so you can do this at home. Right here is just showing you the different variations. This is one of my favorites, off the wall side kick. So this is where you combine parkour with martial arts. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys watch Jackie Chan or all that cool stuff like on TV, but check this out. Favorite number 5, Johnny Cage Mortal Kombat side kick. Crazy variation from a video game. It's not even, it's like fictional, but with enough practice, you can actually do it. Keep that hand up. Let's do that again.